I'm recording. Hey, what's going on? How's everybody doing? Happy Friday. Cheers. I'm got the iced coffee locked and loaded. On this call, I just want to go through why we call some of the things that we do. If you're catching this on the recording and this does interest you, just send a DM down or send me a message or a comment on the post wherever you're at. Just so you know, we do live trade Monday through Friday as a team every full day that we have in the markets. You get to come in and have some fun with us, right? I do forewarn you, we are a wild bunch, but hey, what's work if you're having fun? You know what I mean? So let's dive in. I just basically want to show you why we call out some of the trades that we do using some of the tools that we do use, and we feel that we have a high probability. So let's rock and roll. I'm going to bring over my other charts here. You see right there. All right, so we're confident in what we do because we trade the same plan over and over and over again, day in and day out, right? In this tablet, I got tons of data. I'm old school. Like I said, I like to handwrite stuff down and I can back test it. So I say that to say this. One of our techniques I'm about to show you that we do call out in our room, one of our staples, I got about 2 years of data since I've been writing this down, finding them off the screeners and scanners. And you give me a date and I can tell you what we were trading that specific day. So I say that to say this. Today, coming into the markets, we never know what's going to happen, but trading our plan and trading our CL's rolling. Oh man, it is rolling. We come in each day, right? This specific method is called our floor and ceiling. You see our ceiling tag right there, our floor tag right there. What happens is we wait for the markets to come in and break either way, right? We sit here, hang out, wait for it to break. Once it breaks, if we break the put or the floor right here that we did on CL, we are taking sells, or if it breaks a stock option trade, we are taking puts. If we would have broke the ceiling up here, we would have taken calls. In the futures world, we would have taken buys, right? Check out what happened. We want to hold it until it gets close to the vicinity of that purple line. So if it comes right here and then bounces, that's close to that purple line. I want to be consistently profitable, so I'm telling you to go risk-free, right? Very easy. This is one of our day trading techniques. Today, we were watching CL, and we did call the floor break right here in the mornings for the team to take advantage of it. You see that we did get a winning trade out of that right there. Another futures trade we did call was ES. We took the floor break. I didn't take it, but everybody else did, and they got tons of money. I actually went and got my coffee because by this time, maybe it was right here, I was already up about 1K for the day, and that's okay, right? We want to get green, stay green. I'm okay missing this. I mean, not really. I'm mad I missed it, but it's all good. Don't want to rub it in. They took the floor break right here. Price come down. We got close to our purple line. Realistically, you probably wouldn't have got stopped out till somewhere way down here. That is a good day trade. That's a grand slam for today. So there was CL on the future side and ES. Those were the two stocks that I had on the radar today for our futures traders. Now, for our stock option traders, we had stocks that we were watching for the ceiling break. You see, real quick, the markets, they are bloody red. It don't matter whether the market's red, locked in, bearish, bullish, whatever. We still trade our game plan to what we want to happen. We use a scanner to give us high probability setups. So today, we actually had Visa for a ceiling break. Even though the market was selling off, we wanted to take a ceiling break for Visa, and look what happened today. We got the ceiling break right here. You can put your stop loss right here or right here. If you're conservative, it'd be the first one. We close underneath that. Second one, if you're more aggressive like me, that'll be your stop out, right? Check out what happened right here. Price broke the ceiling. Did it get close to that purple line? Yes, it did. There is a winning trade for the stock option traders. Next stock that we were looking at was McDonald's. We wanted a ceiling break. We got the ceiling break right here. Slow grind up. We got in the vicinity of our purple line, so we get to go risk-free. But this one wasn't nothing to be exciting about. Sometimes that happens, but you still would have got a winning trade out of that. The next one we got was Apple. We broke the ceiling right here, and it's crazy that Apple's holding up in this huge downturn. But at the time when we put out our watch list, We were watching Apple, did break the ceiling, come here and bounce. If we do break this out, I know a couple folks still in this, and I would go risk-free as we break that out. So on the call side, we got 2 winners, and we got one that even if we took a loss right now, you'd have a 66, 67% win rate, and you'd be net profitable. But guess what? We didn't even go over the put side yet, right? Put side, we wanted Amazon to break the floor. Took this one. This one was worth $500 to $1,000. So a lot of people in the room only risking about $1,000 in that trade. You took the floor break right here, which I did. Look what happened. Price went down. I ended up selling out about right there because it crashed down, came back up in a 1-minute bar, stopped me out, and then ended up paying everybody else who didn't take their profits. But it's all good. That right there is another winning trade. Now, you just seen 3 winning trades off today's watch list. But that's not all. We have Target. Want to target for a floor break. We did just break the floor. If you're in it right now, it's still valid. But if you already got your green bags, you probably you might not be even taking this trade. Because if you take 1 or 2 trades and they are green, you don't have to trade anymore for the day. But once again, that's just my opinion. The last one we were watching was Ford for a floor break. This one broke the floor and was a nice grand slam down. So out of the 6 stock option trades that you did see that we watched, I'm sorry, we had one more. We had Tesla. We wanted a floor break on Tesla. We got the floor break here. Price went down to target, and that is another winning trade. Out of the 7 stocks that we had, right, 5 of the 7 smashed TPs. 2 of the 7 are still valid, but they didn't play out. So let's just say we take a loss on the 2 of them, and we win all 5 of them if you are able and capable of taking all those trades. Guess what we say? Do you see it's always a good day when we got the gear on? See this color? If we are green and we can finish the day green, that's what we want. We say bummer, green bag. But you take the iced coffee and cheers. That's one trading technique on the day trading side. You hear me say my motto. I day trade for my job. I swing trade to help grow my account. And then I use the profits of both to invest for free using the profits. So now the second technique that we have, we call this our boogie because we name everything. 9:30 a.m. the market opens up right here. Let me erase all these alerts. Market opens up right here is 9:30. What color is our trend analysis? It is red. Red means down. That means order flow is pushing to the downside. What does that mean? That means that we're in a position, or I should say I'm in a position to take shorts or puts over the calls right here, right now, right? We do have other techniques, but with this one right here, if you were scalping and trading this solely, you would have taken your first put right here on this reversal arrow. There's your stop out. There's one short. Then we come back up. We come down. We get our reversal arrow. We get a close right here. There's your second entry. This would be your stop out. And in 2 minutes, you went from 54.01 down here to 53.95. That right there is worth about $250, $300 on one ES contract. I'm sorry, but I'm not giving that back. I have orders set up, so when I take the trade and it moves about $200 in my favor, it automatically puts me in a trail stop. That right there was a winning trade for me, but it wasn't much because, as you can see, it snapped right back against me. Then we proceeded to get another one. Reset. We got a SwingMasterPro sell by itself, which is a third day trading technique that we have, but we got the reversal arrow. Here's your entry. There's a winner. We come back up. Here's another entry. We come back up. Here's another entry. So today, ES, 100% win rate. Does that always happen? Absolutely not, because we trade our plan, we use proper risk management, and we stay consistent, and that's what makes us expert traders. Now, if you don't like trading boogie, our last day trading system is SwingMasterPro standalone by itself. All this is you see where your entries are. I'm on a 5-minute chart. You got your first sell right there. Up here will be your stop loss, and here will be your take profit. Got a little bit of a reset. Price comes right back down. We are at our target, all but you get to go risk-free. We're going to go to the stock option side. Let's just take a look at Tesla. 5-minute chart. Man, it's been a while since we got some alerts. So like right here, you got your sell alert, 5-minute bar down. You got your sell alert. There's a loss, buy alert, winner. You got your buy alert, winner. You got your sell alert right there. Price ends up pushing down, and we don't get any trades after that. 5 minutes too crazy for you, you go to 15-minute and simply wait for the probability. Our probability is 86.6. It actually was 85 a couple days ago, so it's actually been winning for us. Like right here's a put. There's a winner, buy, winner. You got to buy right there, winner. You got to sell, winner. You got to sell right there, winner. You got to buy. There's a loser. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 1, 80% win rate. We are overperforming that, right? You look at something different like SPY, it'd be the same exact thing, just different symbol. This one is 85.9 probability. We got you go to a 30-minute time frame, see what that probability is, just to show you multiple time frames. And it's a standalone, 86. Like right here, here's your buy, there's a winner. Here's your sell, there's a winner. There's a wash right there, that's nothing. Here's your sell, there's a winner, another sell, winner, buy, winner, sell, winner, buy, winner, sell, winner. There's a 100% win rate on the 30-minute time frame. The problem with the 30-minute time frame is you don't get trades every single day, but we trade quality over quantity, so that's what helps us. That is how we day trade with confidence and day trade with a plan. Now, let's go to swing trading. The same exact way that I told you about day trading, we can implement that on the swing trade side. Let's go to the daily time frame. Since we're all on SPY, we can look at SPY right here and zoom out a little bit or zoom in. And this is what you can see right here. We get a SwingMasterPro sell right there. You see right here where we got this buy. It gives you your entry, your stop loss, and that buy went straight up to the targets. Target 1, target 2, target 3. Over here, you had your stop loss right there. You had your target 1 about right there. There's one winning trade. Here's another sell. And this doesn't look like much, but that's actually a $2 drop on SPY. We do tell people to go risk-free with the $2 drop. You would have got into it, give or take, 99, hit a low of 98 on SPY. Even if you took a loss on it, let's just say we took a loss. We got a winner here. We took a sell there. We stopped out for a loss. Then we took a call here. There's a winner. We took a call there. There's a winner. Our probability is 86.2% for the swing trades. That means that I expect to win 8 out of 10 trades on every 10 trade sample size. Now, the problem with this is we don't get swing trades every single day. So if you're watching your cash cow, you get a SwingMasterPro buy here, right, for a winner. Price pushes up. When you get a retracement followed by a reversal arrow, here's your stop out. There's a winning trade. You get a retracement. There's your buy. There's a winner. You get a retracement. There's your buy. You get stopped out for a loser. Retracement. You get your buy. There's a winner. So you get a lot more trades using the reversal arrows, a little bit more aggressive, but in the stock option world, this is why I like stock options, right? Even on this trade right here, we got stopped out. I mean, technically, some of us got a winning trade on it, depending on where you got filled. But let's just say we lost. Our loss right there, taking 2 weeks of expiration of time, might have been 50%. But we'll just say 55% loss. When we take this buy and we sell out right here, that could be 100% winning rate. I say that to say this. Options has a floor, meaning it has a max loss. It has no hat, no ceiling. We can do a moonshot Scott to the upside, and we can never moonshot Scott to the downside because we can only lose a fixed number, a worst case scenario. You follow me? So that is why I love stock options. That is why I encourage people to trade stock options, because you can better leverage your money where you could buy a contract for $200 or $300 versus if you bought a share for $520 and it moved up $5, you only net profited $5. But on the option side, that right there is a couple 100% ROI. You put your money in a bank account, you're only going to get about 4 or 5% for the year. You follow me? So we can go back even more. Well, maybe Brandon's just setting us up because that was a good area. Well, same thing. You got a sell right there. There's a winner, buy, winner, sell, winner, buy, winner, right? There's more trades. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've shown you 4 already with 1 loser. So there's 7 wins, 1 loss, 8 wins, 9 wins, 10 wins, 11 wins, 12 wins, 13 wins. Here's a loss. 13 and 1, 13 and 2. 14 and 2, there's a loss. 14 and 3. 15 and 3, there's a loss. 15 and 4. 16 and 4, 17 and 4, 18 and 4, 19 and 4. That would be a loss. 19 and 5. The sell right there. 20 and 5, 21 and 5, 22 and 5, 23 and 5, 24 and 5, 25 and 5, 26 and 5, 27 and 5. There's over 30 trades. 27 divided by 32. Look at your win rate, 84%. If I go back even more, I would almost bet you would go on another winning streak to boost that up closer to 86. So that is how we can swing trade with confidence using SwingMasterPro AI. Now, you're still not impressed, right? Like I told you, day trade for my job, swing trade to help grow my account. Then I use the profits of both of those tranches to pay my bills and buy retirement shares. I own Amazon for free. I own Google with the L for free. I own O for free. I own about 45 different stocks. Don't recommend that, but that's what I buy. I'm 35. I'm trying to grow a arsenal of companies, and then as we go up, say 25, 50% ROI, I could sell out, take profits, unless it's Amazon. So I'm in an Amazon of 112. It went up to 200. I didn't sell out. Now it's at 165. I'm still holding, but I'm being a stickler. I want 225. Anyway, if I do need the money, I can sell out right here, right now, take my money, and if I need to go buy something, treating myself to a Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra tablet. It's one of those big 14.5 or 15-inch tablets just to add into the office, right? You can treat yourself any given time that you want. All right, so now, how do we invest in confidence, right? I'm going to go here to the weekly time frame. Exactly what we just did on SwingMasterPro AI. We can now use this on the weekly time frame. I recommend picking 4 or 5 stocks that you like, right? And make it diverse if you're not going to go in the route that I am and get crazy and buy tons of different companies, right? So we're not going to do a whole bunch of them, but let's just pick 3 of them, and I'll show you how we do it. Let's see. One of my favorite stocks is let's see. We could do SPY because that's the ETF of the S&P 500. Another stock I do like Amazon. That's in the retail space, right? And the last one, we'll do a crypto. We'll do Ethereum, ETHE, which we did just buy some shares of that today. All right. Let's just say we start off with a measly $3,000. All right. First thing, we're going to go to SPY. And now remember, if we buy right here, right? If we buy right here and it goes against me, I'm not selling, because hear me out. If you buy a house, you bought a house in 2007 and you had the 2008 crash and your house went from $200,000 to $25,000. Are you selling? Right? If you're watching this recording, give me a yes or no in the chat box. Are you selling?
No.
Absolutely
No.
not. Money Mike or Mike Meyer just said no. You are exactly
you buy
right.
another one.
Eagle Eye, are you selling? All right. Hey, we're not selling, right? He said no too. So I say that to say this. I'm not selling my house either. Well, when I buy shares, I'm not selling my shares for a loss either. But let me explain real quick. I'm only buying stocks or companies that I feel have a less than 2% probability to go to zero. SPY, if it goes to zero, that means we're in some dog doo-doo. We're in some trouble. If SPY goes to zero, we're all going to the river to fish. Now, SPY could drop and stay down for 2, 3, 4 years and then end up pushing back up. That's okay because it's a longer term account, right? So I'm very particular or selective. I'm not buying no OTC shares for my retirement account. I'm buying companies that I believe in, like your Apples, your Waste Management, your Amazons, your Googles with an L, stuff like that. All right, so if we go back here and we put $1,000 in SPY in a 4-year time period, right? Now just remember this. You got to buy into it. A 4-year time period. We got our one buy right here at 280, right? At 280, half of that is 140. So at 420, that is 50%. So right here, you're up 50%. So we put 1K into it right there. Up there, you are at $1,500, right? 50%. Guess what? What am I telling you to do? Sell out. Let your $500 ride for free. Now you bring your 1K back to the account. Now you have $500 sitting in SPY right now for free, right? House money. That's what I'm talking about. While we still have our $3,000 back into the big boy account. Then we get a huge sell-off. We buy in another $1,000 right now. So now we have $1,500 in this account. At 400, well, at 500 right here, that right there is 25%. So 25% of 1,500 is about your 1,500 might be about $1,800, $1,900 up here. Guess what? Sell out. Let $900 go in the account for free at this point, and now you got $3K back in your arsenal. And guess where you're at right now, right? You have $900 sitting in shares with $3,000 back into the account. So we got $900 sitting right there. Now, guess what? That $900, right, is sitting right here where we would have sold out. I'm sorry, right here, and we're still above it, above that 900. So that 900 might be 1,000 right now. We don't know that, but it's house money. I'm not buying SPX until this thing gives us a retracement, because then I expect it to come back over time again and push right back one up. So that's SPY. That is the ETF. Super safe. We got $900 rolling into it. Now, let's go back to Amazon. All right. Same thing. We give us a 4-year sample cycle. We get our SwingMasterPro buy right here at $90. Up here, we put $1,000 into it. We got 1K, right? And let me pull this down a little bit. We got 1K right down here, where I put that line at $94. So at 180, right up here at this high, that $1,000 is at $2,000 up here, right? Check it out. Now you sell out. You got a free $1,000. Your account's back to $3,000. Now you got 1K invested in Amazon. Then it sells off down here. We got our last buy right here at 120. You put another $1,000 in. So now you have a total of $2,000. Your cost average is probably about right there because you have your free money sitting up. So at 130, all the way up here to 200, that right there is about 75%. 2K, your profits are about $3,500 up here at the top. Sell out, right? Sell out. And we have 1K sitting in there for house money. We put 1K in, so this is at 2K now, not 3K. At 2K, we now have 2K sitting in that. It pushes up. It's at $3,500. Sell out. Let $1,000 ride. Now you're bringing $2,500 back to the pot. So now we got $4,500 in our side pot while still having $1,000 invested in Amazon for free house money and $1,000, $900 on SPY. Everybody follow me right now. So we're investing with a plan. The man or the woman with a plan always win, right? Now look at this reset we're getting on Amazon. This is perfect. I'm loving this because we can come all the way down here to 140 and then reset. If we get down lower, it's opportunities. It's opportunities for us, right? Now we come to Ethereum. ETHE. Let me see here. Now I wonder why that thing's not showing up. ETHE. Try this one.
Probably got to put it on crypto.
Oh, do you?
Oh, no. Funds you got to put it on.
ETHE. Where do you see that at?
Oh.
I don't know why it's not working right here on the stock side. It does any other time.
Usually works.
GBTC. Let me see that one if it loads up. See that's how it should load up. ETHE. All right.
Oh, I got it.
Huh?
I got it.
Wonder why mine ain't working. Let me see. Daily. Oh, there it is. All right. So now we got Ethereum. Let me go back to the weekly time frame. All right. We're going to do this on a daily time frame. It's the same exact thing because I know kind of where it's going to be. So we'll just go back to the daily time frame. If we were looking at this all this time, same set of years, right? Where are we at here? We're in 22. All right, same thing. We start over here in 2020. We'll say right here, 2020. We get a buy here at $16, right? Same 4-year sample size. We get a buy here at $14. Here's 100%. There is 200%. You put 1K in right there, right? So your 45 goes down to 35. And at here it's at 2K. You sell out. You got 1K riding in for free. Now you're at 45. Is sitting over here at 55. So now we grow an account. Now we wait for a reset. And we get another buy right there. right? We get another buy right here. And yeah, because we did that buy. No, we get the buy over here. We get the buy here at 22. Up here, it goes up another 100%. Your 1K, you put in, now you have 2K. Now there's 4K. Because remember, we had 1K sitting in it for free. We add in another 1K right there. So now that comes back down to $4,500. Now your 2K right here is 20. Right up here is 4K. Right? 4K. So now, what do? We now sell out 3K, bring back 45, 55, 65. We have $7,500. And look what happens. We still got 1K riding. Then we get a huge sell-off. We'd probably get our buy on the weekly time frame, give or take somewhere about over here. And guess where it's at? It's at $10. We still have $1,000. Since we got a larger amount of money sitting in the side pot, we could put $2,000 into this now, right? Because now we can put $2,000 in each. So now we got $3,000 sitting in this pot at $10. There's $6,000. There's what? 3, 6. There's $9,000. I'm sorry, but if my $3,000 is worth $6,000 right there, I am selling out and I'm taking $5,000 back to the pot and I'm letting 1K in there for free. And you can see where we at right now. So now your $7,500 is now $12,500. So in 4 years, right? Super safe. This is only with 3 stocks. We went from $3,000 to $12,500. Now we're going to start getting juicy for the long haul. And this is just 3 stocks. Imagine if you picked 5 or 7 or 10 of them. You follow me? So that is how you invest with the plan. But now we get a huge push to the downside. We would have gotten our buy probably, give or take. We're waiting for our buy right now. So 3 different stocks I shared with you. We're still in the markets with about $3,000. And now we got $12,500 sitting on the side. Now you come into the markets, and I'm going to erase all this because you get the gist of it. Now you add into something like your Bitcoin or your waste management or your XOM, right? We'll go to XOM because it pays a dividend. Same thing. Trading, investing with the plan is the same exact thing right here. Check it out. Wait for it to load up. You got a buy right there at 40. There's 100%. There's 200%. You put 1K in right there in 21. You're at 2K right there. You sell out. 1K riding. Now there's another 2K up there. You sell out. You just put 12,500. Now you're at 15,000, give or take. 14,500 with your account. And that is how you invest with the plan. So, hey, it is Friday. I want you guys to go do yourself a favor. Go treat yourself because you guys deserve it. I shared with you how we trade with confidence, how we day trade for our job, swing trade to help grow our accounts, and we invest with the plan. You know it's a good Friday when you got your money green Beast Mode gear on. Be ready in the Discord today because I'm starting the giveaways back up. Share your guess on SPY if you want to get a free t-shirt or hoodie. Cheers with the iced coffee. You guys have a blessed Friday. Hey, appreciate it. If you ever have comments, questions, or concerns, never hesitate to reach out. You also have a blessed one. Catch me on the next.